4 top strategies to model for a better career. 1. Become aware of your strengths. The secret to personal development is awareness. You may adjust your life to any circumstances you are faced with by being conscious of your inner thoughts, your strengths, your desires, and your weaknesses. As you may use your knowledge and expertise for the finest goals, you'll also gain a lot of advantages. It is preferable if you select your long-term profession in light of your knowledge of who you are. Do you have any patience? Would you be able to spend 8 to 12 hours working at a computer in an office? Or perhaps you'd want to coach football because you have a sincere enthusiasm for the sport and think you'd make an effective coach? 2. Identify your goals. You need to get to know yourself before you even think about choosing a job path. The vast majority of people follow a predictable pattern as they navigate their way through life. The sad part is that they either don't fully comprehend how many other things they could do or simply don't like what they are doing. You need to decide what your most important sensible wishes are in order to prevent this terrible thing from happening. Then, begin digging even further by conducting a thorough introspection during which you should consider the relationship between your deepest aspirations and your rational objectives. They must coordinate. If not, your professional life won't be wholly fulfilling. Although it requires some time and work, coming to terms with your goals is a crucial step in the road of each successful person. 3. Maintain high standards. Here is yet another important characteristic that separates the successful from the unsuccessful. Your standards have an impact on your beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. If you have high standards, you'll never be content with anything less than what you're capable of. Most of the time, people with high standards are more successful than the typical person. Take some time every 2 to 3 months to consider your standards and values. Try to gradually enhance them till you discover that you have transformed into your best self. 4. Allow networking work for you. Opportunities and connections are at the heart of networking. You essentially get the chance to benefit from the abilities of new people you meet. Naturally, you must also return something: your expertise, your money, or your services. Successful people constantly network and build those profitable, long-lasting connections. Make social media profiles on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The finest options for this kind of activity are these 3 particular networks. Along the process, you'll come across a variety of chances and career options. For instance, LinkedIn is teaming with business executives who are simultaneously networking and promoting their organizations. Facebook and Twitter are also widely used in similar situations. Facebook is useful for networking as well as for everything else. Click the link below for career path options or talk to our career expert. If you found value in this video, please we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos and opportunities like this.